my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple and very effective step to tighten up sagging breasts. Alright, so guys, the thing is that sagging breasts might come naturally because of childbirth. Other times it might come because of not being careful about your body, like you're not even wearing bra when you're supposed to wear the bra, and other factors causes your boobs to sag. Okay, so this natural remedy and very simple tips is just going to help you solve all of your sagging boobs problem, and you are going to be happy with your result because this particular one is very effective, and it's just going to help you firm up your boobs. Alright, so if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching, and please thumbs up the video, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and let's dive into this video. The first ingredient we're going to be needing for this breast firming and tightening solution will be shea butter. Shea butter has a high concentration of fatty acids and vitamins that makes it ideal for softening and tightening up the skin. It also contains anti-inflammatory and healing property, which is best for the skin because it also helps to tone the skin, soothe the skin, and also help to firm it up. Okay, using shea butter alongside with the rest natural ingredients I'm going to be showing you is just going to be perfect in firming up and tightening up a loose and sagging breast. This we're going to be needing a scoop of the shea butter. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of shea butter is going to be ideal for tightening up the boobs. Okay, now the next ingredient, which is very important for this breast firming remedy, is olive oil. Now olive oil is so essential for the skin because it goes deep into the skin, unclog the pores, and it also helps to firm up the skin. Olive oil contains a benefit that helps to tighten up the skin, and it also leaves the skin looking younger and radiant. It protects the skin from the harmful impact of free radicals, which tend to hasten the process of skin aging and skin sagging. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be adding up olive oil, and we're going to be needing just 1 teaspoon of that also. Now the next ingredient, which is very important for this remedy, will be carrots. Now if you don't have the carrot itself, which I doubt, okay, you can use carrot oil. Okay, either of them is better. Now carrots improve the skin disorders. Carrots also help in healing rashes. It contains vitamin C, which helps in healing of the skin, and also beta carotene, which reduces the skin inflammations. It also helps in speeding up the healing process of a sagging and loose skin. So it's gonna be very perfect in tightening up the skin, as well as tightening up the loose and sagging breast. The carrots, I'm going to be creating it, but of course you can also blend yours, okay, so we can get the juice from the carrot just like I used to do. I would love to create it in a circular motion so I can get enough of the juice out of this. So to get the juice from the carrot, I'm gonna be straining this out. Okay, so I just love to do it this way. So I'm gonna be putting that into a strainer and straining the whole thing out. Alright, so I would love to press it so the juice can come out of this carrot. But if you blend your carrot, you're going to get much of the juice than what I'm getting here. So here is the carrot juice, and now I'm just going to turn the whole thing into. Now the next ingredient which we are going to be needing for this remedy of tightening boobs is going to be cabbage. Vegetable. Cabbage has a high mineral content. As such, it helps in making the skin stronger, and it increases the level of vitamin C, which boosts immunity. It also helps to increase the skin elasticity, which therefore helps to tighten up the skin and as well leave the skin tighter and firmer. So it's just going to be perfect in tightening up a loose and sagging breast. Now we're just going to be mixing this all up. Well, it's not going to be very easy to mix, but of course it's just going to mix, okay, because it's just as if you're mixing water and oil together. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be a little difficult, but yeah, it's gonna mix. It's gonna mix. All right, so it's mixing really well. And here you have it. Okay, so it's going to be looking somewhat like this. And then you're going to apply it on your boobs, guys. Okay, so you're going to make sure to apply generously onto your boobs, and then you give it a massage. All right, so you give it a massage really well. So you have the oil, the water-based oil. Like, this is actually a water-based oil because there's a little bit of water which is from the carrot juice, and the oil which is from the shea butter and the olive oil. Literally, this is really good. Okay, so what you do is that you massage your two boobs with this oil really well. Now when you're done massaging, you're going to notice that this thing, you don't have to wash it off. Okay, it's just going to, as I'm rubbing it on my hands, it's just going to, you know, remove wrinkles and tighten up my hands really well. Okay, so after which you've applied this, then you grab your cabbage. You take just one leaf of the cabbage. Okay, just like this. One leaf for one side of the boobs. Okay, and another leaf for another side of the boobs. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so after you've actually applied this on your boobs and massaged the oil, the water-based oil on it, so you would cover this, use the cabbage leaf to cover your boobs, okay, just like this. Alright, you use the next one. Of course, obviously we have 2 boobs, so you use the next one and cover the boobs, then you wear your bra. Okay, if you can, it's something that you have to slip with this, okay, and perfect, you are going to be having a perfect result in a couple of days. Okay, you're going to be seeing a great difference if you're able to sleep with this cabbage. You know, cabbage is actually very cooling. It's just going to be very perfect for this sunny weather. It's just going to cool you up. So you wear a very tight bra on top of this, then you sleep with it. Okay, in a couple of days, I mean, you are going to be seeing great results. Alright, your boobs is just going to get tighter and firmer. Trust me on this really works. So basically guys, that is it. Wrapping, just merely applying this and wrapping this cabbage leaf at your boobs and wearing sport bra, you know, to hold it really firm and tight. You can even wear bra to sleep. Okay, so that's the essence of the video. Alright, it's just gonna help you to firm it up again, tighten it up, and you are going to be having your confidence again. That's if you want your boobs to, you know, firm up. Okay, because I know some people, you know, like sagging breasts, so everybody with their own like and wants, and you know, all of that. So if you did love the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will see more interesting and helpful videos. And please share this video, do me a favor, and also click on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload new videos. And I will see you soon in my next video. Go try this out. I'm sure it's going to be very effective, and I'll see you soon. Follow me on Instagram. Bye guys, and